Alright, this video is of a dual height feed table. This dual height feed table is made so that if you have a raised molded door, you can lower it down 3/4 of an inch simply by, oops, wrong end, simply by pulling that little button, that lever there, and it'll drop it down so that it's 3/4 of an inch lower, which will allow you to feed a door into a machine that is 38.5 inches high, which is like a Commander or beveler or anything like that. What it does is it drops the door down so that it will feed straight into them. And then if you're not doing a door with you're doing a standard door, then it just you push the button in and it holds its height at 38.5 inches from the floor, which is a standard height for feeding machinery. Standard height for feeding most all machinery have a standard height of 38.5 inches. You can actually raise and lower it with a little bit with leveling bolts. There's tapped holes that you can use to raise and lower it. Also, it has a couple of wheels right here that are guide wheels, so that if you have a fixed edge to feed your door into, like on a KVAL beveler, or almost all bevelers have one fixed side. Commanders have a fixed side, and you can set these wheels to where they will allow you to feed just directly into the machine, and you don't have to worry about keeping them straight. Those wheels hold them straight, and that's about all there is to this little machine. That's about all there is to this little machine. Is it just has this a good feed table. You can use it for just a feed table, or if you have a position where you have to raise molding, where your raised molding is sticking down below, you can drop it down and then feed the door into the machine. And it's a good heavy-duty machine. The table, it feeds, excuse me, I should have had this already figured out. The table is 6 feet long and almost 4 feet wide, about 46 inches wide. You can put a 4-row door on there, no problem. But it's 6 feet long, 46 inches wide. And it was built by KVAL, and is a good heavy-duty table. Thank you.